Okay everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
In this
wabarakatuh.
occasion, I want to present to you about my portfolio from I'm from 10th grade until 11th grade until now. Okay, about me, I'm a student at IDN Boarding School Solo. I'm motivated, willing to learn, passionate, hardworking, and other things. I'm a junior network engineer. I'm an individual who like to explore networking and also like to learn new skill in my field. And I also like to hone the skill and already have. I am currently studying microtik, MTCNA, and MTCLA. Cisco about CCNA and CCNP, basic Juniper and basic Juniper configuration. If you want to learn about networking, Microtik and Cisco with me, feel free to match me a lot love to my study but okay. You after this can see my email and my number and my LinkedIn. Okay, for education, I in in junior school in Mahat Tafid in Bantul, and for high school I'm in Iden boarding school Solo. Okay, for the first experience in SMK in 10th grade, I uh, what kerjain what work work this super lab. There is four or five super lab, and we work the super lab just for 1 week. The super lab give us experience on how to configuration and Cisco router without using the original device, which will be useful when we work later. In here there is topology in networking. All use vendor Cisco, and how to computer from this from to other computer can connect and can give the package how to configuration, and we use material from teacher give to give to me, and I practice in this lab. There is five lab. Okay, for the next experience I teach in SMK Alur Warga Kusuma in Bandung, guys. I in 10th grade one November I Padedi called me for teaching in Bandung because he what
He asked you or something?
no he presented about what about teacher in Bandung, and he want to the student IDN teach in there.
Okay.
And I teach in there 3 days.
For 3 days.
Yeah, four or 3 days I forget. I teach about MTCNA. I teach about IP address and basic for microtik lah. I teach 11th grade, and with I in there I 10th grade, 10th grade. Yeah, and I teach 20 students student in SMK Alur Warga Kusuma, and with my class one people. Jadi I teach in SMK Alur Warga Kusuma, 2 people from Solo. Okay, for the next experience, I teach in SMK Parakan. In SMK Parakan, I teach about Cisco, basic CCNA and switching material. Start from basic command to VTP, virtual trunking protocol. I teach 2 class, 11 grade from SMK Parakan. And I there teach with Ataya and Bagas, and I teach 5 days in there. Teach about switching, basic routing, AJRP, OSPF, and so many material switching in there. And in here there is student is very smart, and I in with team give he food and reward.
Sebenarnya reward ya.
Yeah, reward.
Reward atau gift ya.
Yes. Okay, for the next I teach in Brebes in SMK Islam Diponegoro. In here I just teach basic Figma, because one day I teach 1 class. I in here with RPL, with class RPL, Fahmi, Raffi, and Ridwan. I teach Sam 5 days, and I teach about basic Figma, like make a poster, make a frame, for editing Figma, tools in Figma, and other. Okay. For the next, I teach the second teach in IGN. I teach in SMP Muhammadiyah 3 Depok with Bagas and Elpat and Akil. Now Akil join backpacker. I in here Sam teach Figma about design. I teach about design and use Figma. I in there basic Figma and poster about after that vector, UI UX, and so many material again. And here I take picture with principal and student in SMP Muhammadiyah 3 Depok. I teach in here 4 days. 4 days I teach about Figma there. Okay. Okay. For in here the last week I Ujicom in Millennial Telekomunikasi in Jakarta, and I in here in mine I work about field engineer, about work configuration, replace access point, instalasi access point, and migrasi use router and other. And I in the first day I instalasi access point in Pertamina in Priok with Bagas and the senior with Bang Dimas and Bang Ajis. And I work in mile 2 weeks, and so many material I get from senior from hard skill and soft skill in there. How to communication with client, and how to troubleshoot in lapangan and other. Okay, next in here I teach training umum IT camp with Bagas. In here I teach about routing and little switching. In here I with Bagas collaboration for teach teacher join IT camp. This I give the materi just 2 days guys. Okay, next I training again, but online and in IT camp, the join from the Telkomsel company and Politeknik Negeri Semarang. I teach this just 1 week. Okay, this my project MTCN ABUK, MTCR e-book, and CCN ABUK, and this my certificate get in IDN, MTCN A, MTCR E, basic for networking, basic for cybersecurity, certificate trainer, and thank you. Maybe saudara from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.